Do you want to know how you can enable searching the web on Deepseek? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to our channel. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to deepseek.com. After that, you will see this type of interface. Now, what you need to do is click on Start Now. If you have previously logged into your account, you will be directly headed to this page over here, or else you can sign into your account and you will be headed to this page. Now, if you want to search for the web when necessary and giving commands, you can see the deep pink. Right beside deep pink is the globe icon, which you can enable, and it will search from the web about the commands you give on when it is necessary. So go ahead and click on this icon and you can start messaging Deepseek and it will search the web when necessary. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.